Hello, dear students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, and this is from English grammar, and the topic is prefixes. So, from today's class, we are going to learn about identifying root word, identifying affixes, separating prefixes and suffixes, using prefixes to form opposite or negative word. First of all, let's get introduced with a new tree, and the name of this tree is language tree. Life of a tree is its roots, right? So we can say life of language is its letters, isn't it? Now, this part is the main part of the tree, right? So, what is the main part of a language? These letters can form word, and we can say word is the body of a language. But to express our thoughts, we need more and more word. So the question is, how can we form new words that will be easier to use and remember? Alright, we can form new words by adding some group of letters with the bulk of word we already have. Say, for example, we can add the group of letters UN, at the beginning of the word comfort. So it becomes uncomfort. Now we can add the group of letters able at the end, and it becomes uncomfortable. So what are these group of letters called? The group of letters added at the beginning is called prefix, and the group of letters added at the end are called suffix. And prefix and suffix together are called affixes. So, by using prefix and suffix, we can form new words. There are many prefixes in English language, and today we are going to learn about prefixes, and with those prefixes we can use opposite word or negative word. Or more easily we can say we will learn about some prefixes that will help us to form antonym. So let's get started. The first prefix here is un. Say, for example, happy. We can add un at the beginning of these words, and thus it becomes unhappy. The next prefix is in. Say, for example, correct. By adding in, it becomes incorrect. The next prefix is ir. For example, removable. And if we add ir at the beginning of this word, it becomes irremovable. And the next one is dis, dis. For example, if we add this at the beginning of like, it becomes dislike. Now, non, non, non. If we add non at the beginning of stop, it becomes non-stop. And this is im, im. If we add im at the beginning of pure, it becomes impure. Now, ill, ill. If we add ill at the beginning of literate, then it becomes illiterate. Then anti. anti, anti. If we add anti at the beginning of virus, then it becomes antivirus. Now it's mal, mal, mal. If we add mal at the beginning of nutrition, it becomes malnutrition. Now the last one is de, day, day. Then if we add de at the beginning of frost, then it becomes defrost. So well, we have already read some prefixes to form a negative word or opposite word or antonyms. Now I have given a list of those prefixes in the first box, and there are some words in the second box. And what you have to do is to add the prefixes at the beginning of this word, and you have to make the opposite word of the word given in the box. For example, if I add un with the word common, then becomes uncommon. So in this way, you have to select the prefixes to form new words. So this is the end of our today's class. In the next class we will see again, and till then stay safe and keep learning.